Class 11, let us continue the chapter compound angles, exercise 4 we are doing. Now, sum number 6 part 1. Sum number 6 part 1. We have to prove that cos 20 degree plus sin 20 degree whole divided by cos 20 degree minus sin 20 degree is equal to tan 65 degree. Okay, let's start with the right hand side as it is tan 65 degree. So we can write in terms of tan A plus B form. Tan A plus B 45 plus 20 as it is 20 degree is there and 45 value we know. Okay, so let us start with the right hand side. Tan 65 degree. We can write this as 45 plus 20. What is the formula? Tan A plus B formula we know. Now it is clear to you, I think. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. Tan 45 degree, that is equals to 1, and this is equals to tan 20 degree. 1 minus tan 20 degree. Okay. Tan 20 degree means 1 plus sin 20 by cos 20 by 1 minus sin 20 by cos 20. So it is coming cos 20 plus sin 20 by cos 20 minus sin. Very simple. Okay, that is equals to left hand side. Okay, next sum is very important. This type of sum always try to expand in terms of sin A plus B, cos A plus B, or sin A minus B, cos A minus B, this form. Number 3. What we have to find out, cos 67 degree, cos 67 degree 24 minute, cos 7 degree 24 minute plus cos 82 degree 36 minute, cos 22 degree 36 minute is equal to half. Let me check. Cos 67 degree 24 minute, cos 7 degree 24 minute, okay, plus cos 82 degree 36 minute into cos 22 degree 36 minute is equal to half. So we will start from the left hand side. So let me rub this one first. We'll start from LHS. Equal is equal to. Now see, cos 67 degree, there will be no change of these values. 67 degree 24 minute, cos 7 degree 24 minute, there will be no change. Plus cos 82 degree 36 minute, 82 degree 36 minute, this we can change as 82 degree 36 minute we can write as 90 degree minus 7 degree 24 minute. Okay, we can write this as 90 degree minus 7 degree 24 minute. 82 degree 36 minute can be written in this way. How? That means if we add 82 degree 82 degree 36 minute and here 7 degree 24 minute, just check it. See, we will get only 90 degree. Okay, write this. So this is coming And 22 degree 36 minute, same thing we can write. Cos 22 degree 36 minute, we can write 90 minus 67 24. 90 minus 67 degree 24 minute. Same thing here. Just check it. 67 degree 24 minute, 22 degree 36 minute. 89 degree 60 minutes. 60 minute means again this is 1 degree will be added, so it is coming 90 degree. I think understood. Okay. 89 degree 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 minute equals to 1 degree. So 1 degree will be added here. So it is coming 90 degree. Okay. So 90. Now what we will get? Cos 90 minus theta equals to, we know that is equals to sine theta. So what we will write here? Cos 67 degree 24 minute, cos 7 degree 24 minute plus cos 90 minus theta means sine theta. So it is coming sine 7 degree 24 minute. Sine 7 degree 24 minute. And cos 90 minus theta, that is equal to sine theta again. So sine 67 degree 24 minute. Now cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So if you take this angle as A, so cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B means cos of A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So it is coming cos of A minus B. So 67 degree 24 minute minus 7 degree 24 minute. 24 minute will be cancelled. Then 67 minus 7, it is coming only 60 degree. So it is coming cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is half. I think now it's understood. Next, sum number 7. It's a different type of sum. We have to show that independent type. That is, angle is independent. That we have to show. Sum number 7. Show that the following expression is independent of theta. Independent of theta. That we have to prove. What is the expression? Expression is cot pi by 4 minus theta minus 1. Cot theta minus 1. Cot pi by 4 minus theta means we know this is equals to cot 45 degree minus theta minus 1 into cot theta minus 1. Now, cot 45 minus theta means what? Cot 45 minus theta Now let us expand this in terms of cot A minus B. Cot A minus B formula is what? Cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So write here cot 45 degree cot theta plus 1 cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Cot B minus cot A. So cot B means cot theta minus cot 45 degree. Cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A, cot theta minus 45 minus 1. Minus 1 is there. Just put the bracket and it is cot theta minus 1. Okay. Now cot 45 degree we know that is equals to 1. So simply we can write this as cot theta plus 1 by cot theta minus 1 here. and it is cot theta minus 1. Let's do the calculation part only. So it is coming cot theta minus 1. So it will be cot theta plus 1 minus cot theta minus plus 1. So it is coming only 2, which is independent. So only numerical value we have got, so which is independent of theta. Which is independent of theta. That is the answer. That only we have to find. Only the expression we have to find in this. Okay. Next, I will start for 4 marks questions. But not in this video. Coming with new video. Thank you.